In the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful, পরম করুণাময়, অতিশয় দয়াবান আল্লাহর নামে শুরু করিলাম। Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Dear viewers and students, today again I am in my basic English class, and today I am going to discuss narration. And in the previous two classes also I discussed narrations, and in the previous classes I discussed the relation of narration with present tense and past tense, and today I have an intention to discuss the relation of future tense with narration. And today I am going to discuss that if we find shall, will in the reported speech, it will be turned into should, would. If we find shall, will be, it will be turned into should, would be. Then if we find will have, it will be turned into would have. And if we find will have been, it will be turned into would have been. Now if we find can, it will be turned into could. If we find may, it will be turned into might. If we find must, it would be turned into had to, or it would remain must. And there are some models that would not be changed. Say if we find could, should, need, must, might, used to in the reported speech, this will remain unchanged. Now let us start. He said to me, that is, here the reporting verb is in past tense. So he said to me would be turned into he told me, and comma would be omitted by the conjunction that. He told me that. Now here the pronoun I, it would actually follow the subject, so it will be turned into he. He said to me he. Shall, here the rule is telling that shall will be turned into should, so he told me that he would. He would. Now the verb is learn. He would learn the lesson. Here the basic sentence was he said to me I shall learn the lesson. Now as long as the rule is that shall, will would be turned into should, would, so he said to me has been turned into he told me. The comma has been omitted by the word that. He told me that. The pronoun I has followed the basic subject he, so instead of I have written here he. He told me that he. Shall has been turned into would. He told me that he would learn the lesson. Now let us write another sentence by the subject you. You will watch. You will watch TV. Now let us see the changes. Here the pronoun you would follow the object me, so it would be I. He told me that I. Will would be turned into would. He told me that I would watch TV. The basic sentence he said to me you will watch TV, while it has been turned into indirect speech he told me that I would watch TV. Now let us write another sentence by using third person. Let us consider the subject they will explain. They will explain the reason. REASONS. Now let us have a look. Now as long as the subject is in the third person, so it would remain unchanged, so we would write here they. He told me that they. Will would be turned into would. Very simple. He told me that they would explain. EXPLAIN. Explain the reason. REASONS. Now let us read from the beginning. The basic sentence was he said to me they will explain the reasons. Now when I have turned it into indirect speech, Then said to has been turned into told. So he told me. Comma has been omitted by the word that. So he told me that. Now the pronoun here they. So it would remain as it was. He told me that they. Will has been turned into would. He told me that they would. Explain the reasons. Now let us go to the next tense, that is, if we find future continuous tense, that is the subject I, it would be I shall be. I shall be reading. I shall be reading books. Now it is in future continuous tense, that is shall will be. Shall be. So he told me that. I would be turned into he. He told me that he. It would be would. He told me that he would be. He would be reading. He would be reading books. Now let us have a look. The direct speech was, he said to me, I shall be reading books. Now he told me that he would be reading books. Now let us write another sentence by the pronoun you. Let us write it. You will be eating. You will be eating rice. Now if we change, then from the beginning to end the sentence is, he said to me, you will be eating rice. Now when it has been turned into indirect speech, said to has been turned into told. So he told me that. You would follow the object. Say instead of me, it would be I. He told me that I will be turned into would be. Will be turned into would be. Would be eating rice. Now let us have a look from the beginning to end. He said to me, you will be eating rice. Now he said to me has been turned into told me. He told me that. You has been turned into I. He told me that I will be would be. He told me that I would be eating rice. Now let us write another sentence by using pronoun in third person. Now let us write she will. She will be cooking. She will be cooking food. She will be cooking food. Now she would remain unchanged, so it would be she. He told me that she will be would be turned into would be. Would be. Cooking will remain as it is, so cooking would be written here as cooking. Now food. So the rule was shall will be would be turned into should would be. Now the sentence, basic sentence was, he said to me, she will be cooking food. Now said to me has been turned into told me. He told me that she would be cooking food. Now let us go to the future perfect tense. Now let us write a sentence by I shall have done. I shall have done the work. I shall have done the work. Now the word I would actually be turned into the basic subject he. He told me that he shall have would be converted into would have. Would have. He told me that he would have done. He would have done the work. Now let us have a look from beginning to end. He said to me, I shall have done the work. He told me that he would have done the work. Now let us write another sentence by using the subject you. You will have played. You will have played chess. You will have played chess. Now instead of you, we would write, actually the word you would follow the object me and it would be turned into I. He told me that I will have would be turned into would have. I would have played shall remain unchanged. Chess also remain unchanged. That is, there are rules to change narration. Say here the rule is will have would be turned into would have. So we will not do anything other than the direction. That is, the direction here is that will have would be turned into would have. So whenever I would find will have, it will be turned into would have. Now there are some other words also, we would not touch them. That is, they will not be changed. Now the basic sentence was, he said to me, you will have played chess. Now I have converted it into indirect speech. He told me that I would have played chess. Now let us write another sentence by the pronoun they. They will have paid, P-A-I-D, paid attention. Now the subject they will remain unchanged. That is, he told me that they would have paid attention. A-T-T-E-N-T-I-O-N. Now the basic sentence was, he said to me they will have paid attention. Now in the indirect speech, he told me that they would have paid attention. Now let us go to the last structure of the future tense. That is future perfect continuous tense. It would be like this. Say, I will have been would be turned into would have been. Now let us write a sentence. I will have been eating food. I will have been eating food. Now the structure of future perfect continuous tense is subject shall will or subject will have been verb ing object. Now the word I would be turned into he. He told me that he will have been would be turned into would have been. Would have been. He told me that he would have been eating food. Now let us have a look from the beginning to end. He said to me, I will have been eating food. Now it has been converted into indirect speech like that. He told me that he would have been eating food. Now instead of I, let us write a sentence by the pronoun you. Now you will have been playing. You have been playing cricket. You have been playing cricket. Now the subject you would actually follow the object here. Now me would be turned into I. So he told me that I will have been would be turned into would have been. Would have been. He told me that I would have been playing, P-L-A-Y-N-G, playing cricket. Now let us have a look from beginning to end. He said to me, you will have been playing cricket. Now it has been turned into, he told me that I would have been playing cricket. Now let us write a sentence by using they. That is, the word would be they, he, she, Now let us write the sentence by using they. They will have been watching. They will have been watching TV. Instead of TV, we can write movie. So when we convert the speech into indirect speech, it would be he told me that. Instead of they, we would write they, because it is third person, so it would not be changed. He told me that they will have been would be turned into would have been. Would have been. He told me that they would have been watching TV. I repeat, the basic sentence was he said to me they will have been watching TV. Now in the indirect speech, it has been turned into he told me that they would have been watching TV. Now, all the structures of tenses, that is, in previous two classes of narration, I discussed the changes of present tense, past tense, and today I have completed all the changes of future tense. That is, whenever we would find in the reported speech shall, will, it will be turned into should, would. If we find shall, will be, it would be turned into should, would be. If we find will have, it would be turned into would have. If we find will have been, it would be turned into would have been. Now there are some more changes. Say, if we find can, it would be turned into could. If we find may, it would be turned into might. If we find must, it would be turned into had to or must. Now let us write 3 sentences by using this modal verb. Say, I can play. I can play. Now he said to me, I can play. It would be turned into he told me that. The word I would be actually turned into he. He told me that he could. He could play. Here, the basic sentence, he said to me, I can play. It has been turned into indirect like this. He told me that he could play. That is, the word can has been turned into could. Now, let us write another sentence by using may. You may. You may come. You may wait. You may wait. So, he said to me, you may wait. The word may would be turned into might. So, he told me that you would be turned into I. He told me that I might wait. Now, let us write another sentence by using must. Now let us give the subject they. They must play. They must play. So he told me that they must would remain unchanged, or we can write have to. They had to play. They had to play. Or if we like that, we would not change the word must, we can write must. The decision is yours. Either you can write must or you can write had to instead of must. And there are some more models. These are could, should, need, must, might, and used to. These models would remain unchanged. Now, the unchanged models I am going to tell you again, that is could, should, need, must, might, used to. If we find these in the reported speech, we would not change them. We would keep them as they are. Now, this is all for today actually. I am not going to prolong my talking. Actually, I have an intention to discuss narration in some more classes. That is, I am to show you how to change the narration into indirect speech when we are given in passage form. That is, we are to do some passage narrations, and I have an intention to discuss about the narrative style of in other sentence pattern. That is, if we find narration in question form, how we would change, and there are some more changes. And in the next classes, I would show you step by step, and you are requested to remain with me. And I am coming very soon. Till then, goodbye. Assalamu alaikum.